We are looking at how to pronounce these words that are two distinct words. They have two distinct meanings, even though they are spelled exactly the same way, T-E-A-R. So the one at the top is a verb, meaning to rip or to pull apart or to pull to pieces something like a piece of paper. It is said as tear, to tear apart, for example, to tear. The one at the bottom is a noun. It represents the water that falls out of your eyes when you cry. This is said as a tear or tears. So, to tear apart, or a tear, two different ways of saying them. And now you have it. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.